Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna work with text decoration. So let's prepare stuff here. We're gonna have fixed width, for example, for simplicity reasons 400 pixels, and background will be yellow to see things better. Okay, so let me see what's up. Let's press Ctrl plus couple of times to see things better. I think it's nice now, nicer. And let's align font basically. Text align. If you say left, you will get the default situation. There you go. If you say center, of course, result will be this. And of course, you can use right here. There you go, guys. Just the same situation in any text editor, like in Microsoft Word or something like that. So I'm gonna stick with left, which is default. Okay, and let's use lines over font and under font, and we're gonna cut font in half. So text decoration, that's actually property here, and I'm gonna say overline because I need some kind of concatenated lines over letters. There you go, guys. And the same stuff with underline, underline, and opposite reaction. There you go. And if you want to cut font in half vertically, you want to say line line through. There you go. Okay, but also you can say none, which means default pretty much. None. So let's stick with that for now. So what about transformations? You wanna change font to be lowercase, uppercase, or you wanna capitalize everything. So let me actually type that. Text transform, and you will say uppercase. Okay, and result will be uppercase pretty much. Obvious stuff. And then you can say lowercase, and all letters will become lowercase. And if you delete this, then some letters will have uppercase first characters. I mean, some sentences, which is grammatically correct. But if for some reason you need everything to be lowercase, then there you go, you have that option. Another option is to capitalize first characters in a word. So let's do that. Capitalize, where I'm typing in another editor, sorry. Capitalize and refresh, and there you go, guys. If for some reason you need it, then just use these text decoration options. Okay, let's play around with multiple paragraphs. I'm gonna revert to 100% and let's have a couple of paragraphs here to play around. We're gonna use IDs on these. So ID will be A and that one will be B, something simple. And that one of course will be C. So here we need to change CSS to target specific IDs. Let me copy paste this. We need to change targets B and C, and we will have same situation, but that's not the point. Here we're gonna have uppercase. In the middle we're gonna have lowercase. And this will be capitalized. Okay, refresh, and there you go. You see the difference more clearer. And you can play around with different backgrounds like light blue and light green. And there you go. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. As always, thank you for watching, and see you next one.